Hey, I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to set up your Microsoft 365 email on your Android phone. That way, you can work from anywhere. To start, locate and open your phone's default Mail app. If you've previously added an account to this Mail app, locate the Add Account option from the Mail app settings. If this is your first time using the app, it should automatically direct you to the Add Account page. Typically, the Mail app will ask for the mail type before continuing. For most Mail apps, you'll choose Exchange. If you're adding your email address to Samsung Email, select Office 365. You can pick an account from the Suggested Accounts page. Otherwise, if you don't see your account in the list, enter your email address and password. The app will locate your organization's admin settings to determine if your device needs any additional security. If it does, don't worry. The app will simply just ask you to activate and apply those settings, and it'll do the work for you. Once those settings are applied, you'll be prompted to personalize your email experience. You can change the name that displays on your outgoing mail, how often you want your inbox to sync, and adjust the email retrieval size limits. Once everything is set up, tap Done to save your settings. You're now in your inbox, and you can start sending and receiving email on your phone. And that's it. That's how you add your Microsoft 365 email to your phone. I'm Emily. See you next time.